Two tech giants just made a move almost no one saw coming. It wasn't a flashy model launch or a viral demo. It was a quiet integration with massive consequences, and it may redefine how AI power is distributed worldwide. Welcome back to NeuroWire Signal, where we break down the signals behind the noise in the AI revolution. If you're serious about understanding where artificial intelligence is heading, hit like and subscribe. It helps this channel grow. Today, we're unpacking something bigger than a product release. Baidu and Tencent just added OpenClaw to their systems, and that could change the global AI balance. The quiet integration that signals a power shift. When companies like Baidu and Tencent make infrastructure-level decisions, they're rarely impulsive. These are firms that think in ecosystems, not headlines. So when both began integrating OpenClaw into key AI workflows, it wasn't about hype, it was about positioning. Unlike a standalone model launch, OpenClaw's addition represents something deeper: modular AI evolution. Instead of building every component internally, Baidu and Tencent are adopting an external intelligence layer designed to enhance reasoning, autonomy, and tool use capabilities across systems. This is not a plugin, it's an architectural reinforcement, and architecture determines the future. What is OpenClaw really bringing to the table? OpenClaw is designed around advanced agent-based reasoning, systems that don't just answer prompts, but execute multi-step objectives across tools and data environments. Where traditional models generate text, OpenClaw coordinates action. Think beyond chat, think execution. By embedding OpenClaw into search engines, cloud services, developer tools, and enterprise platforms, Baidu and Tencent are effectively upgrading their AI from reactive systems to operational agents. This matters because the next phase of AI isn't about conversation, it's about capability. Why this isn't just another model race? The AI narrative over the last few years has focused heavily on who has the biggest model, the best benchmarks, or the highest reasoning scores. But Baidu and Tencent appear to be pivoting the competition away from pure model supremacy and toward system orchestration. The difference is subtle but transformative. Model supremacy wins demos. System orchestration wins economies. By integrating OpenClaw, both companies are strengthening the connective tissue between models, databases, APIs, enterprise workflows, and real-time analytics. That connective intelligence is what turns AI from a novelty into infrastructure. And infrastructure scales quietly but permanently. China's strategic AI acceleration. To understand the gravity of this move, you have to zoom out. China's AI ecosystem has matured rapidly over the last few years, moving from imitation to innovation. Baidu's investments in autonomous driving and AI research, and Tencent's dominance in cloud and social ecosystems give them enormous distribution leverage. Now, layer OpenClaw on top of that. This isn't just about improving chatbots. It's about creating distributed AI agents that can operate inside massive digital ecosystems used by hundreds of millions of people. When an agent layer integrates across search, messaging, gaming, finance, and enterprise cloud, you don't get incremental improvement, you get acceleration. From tools to autonomous workflows. OpenClaw's most significant contribution isn't intelligence in isolation, it's workflow autonomy. Imagine enterprise AI systems that don't just provide recommendations, but execute procurement steps, reconcile financial data, generate compliance reports, and coordinate across departments automatically. That's the leap from suggestion to action. By embedding OpenClaw into cloud services, Tencent can offer businesses something more powerful than AI assistance: AI execution. Baidu can enhance search and knowledge services with layered reasoning agents that synthesize data across domains in real time. This is where the next AI revolution lives, in systems that reduce human intervention without removing human oversight. The competitive implications globally. While Western AI discourse often centers around companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, this open cloud integration signals a parallel evolution happening in China's tech sphere. If Baidu and Tencent successfully operationalize large-scale AI agents within their ecosystems, the global AI race shifts from model-centric competition to deployment-centric dominance. Who deploys smarter? Who integrates faster? Who captures more real-world workflows? That's the battlefield now. Why OpenClaw's architecture matters. OpenClaw's framework is modular, meaning it can plug into diverse environments without forcing a total system overhaul. That flexibility is crucial for companies operating at Baidu and Tencent scale. Legacy systems don't vanish overnight, they evolve. By adding OpenClaw as a coordination layer, both companies can upgrade capabilities without rebuilding entire infrastructures from scratch. This approach reduces friction, accelerates rollout, and preserves stability while expanding functionality. It's evolutionary intelligence, not revolutionary replacement. AI agents as economic engines. The deeper story here isn't technical, it's economic. Agent-based AI systems can compress operational costs across industries. Customer service, logistics, finance, healthcare administration, and digital marketing are all candidates for autonomous optimization. If OpenClaw enhances reasoning chains and tool coordination effectively, Baidu and Tencent can embed intelligent agents directly into enterprise subscriptions. That creates recurring revenue tied to performance efficiency. AI becomes not just a feature, but a productivity multiplier businesses can't ignore. Why this signals the post-chatbot era. For years, AI progress has been showcased through conversational interfaces. But conversation is just one modality. The real value emerges when AI systems can interpret goals and act across platforms autonomously. OpenClaw's integration hints at a post-chatbot world, where AI systems quietly execute background operations. Users won't chat with AI as much as they'll rely on AI to complete objectives invisibly. That's a subtle shift, but it changes user expectations entirely. AI stops being an assistant, it becomes an operator. Strategic timing in the global AI race. The timing of this integration is not accidental. Global AI competition has intensified, with governments investing heavily in domestic AI infrastructure. By enhancing their ecosystems now, Baidu and Tencent strengthen technological sovereignty and reduce dependency on external platforms. Strategic autonomy in AI is becoming as important as energy independence once was, and integrations like OpenClaw represent infrastructure fortification rather than experimentation. Risks and alignment challenges. Of course, deploying agent-based AI systems at scale carries risk. Autonomous execution introduces potential misalignment, errors, and unintended consequences. Companies integrating such systems must invest heavily in oversight frameworks and human-in-the-loop safeguards. Baidu and Tencent are likely layering OpenClaw within tightly monitored environments initially, expanding capabilities gradually. Evolutionary rollout reduces systemic shock, but make no mistake, autonomy always raises stakes. The broader signal for developers. For developers watching this unfold, the message is clear. The future of AI development lies in orchestration layers. Building a standalone model won't be enough. Creating systems that can coordinate tools, memory, reasoning, and execution will define the next wave of innovation. OpenClaw's integration demonstrates that modular agent frameworks can become foundational components in massive digital ecosystems, and developers who understand agent architecture early will shape that future. What this means for everyday users. For consumers, the transformation will feel gradual. Search results will become more contextual. Customer service responses will feel more proactive. Digital platforms will anticipate needs more accurately. Behind the scenes, OpenClaw-powered agents may be coordinating data flows, optimizing recommendations, and executing processes without explicit commands. The revolution won't announce itself, it will feel like friction disappearing. The bigger pattern emerging in AI. Across the global AI landscape, a pattern is forming. Companies are shifting from building smarter, isolated models to integrating intelligence layers across ecosystems. Whether in the West or East, the trajectory is the same: AI agents embedded into infrastructure. Baidu and Tencent adding OpenClaw isn't an isolated event. It's part of a systemic transformation. And when ecosystems evolve, industries follow. This isn't just another AI headline. It's a structural shift. The next revolution won't shout. It will integrate.
If you want to stay ahead of these moves, like the video and subscribe to NeuroWire Signal, because the future of AI isn't coming, it's being embedded right now.